American Standard Circuits presents Printed Circuit Board Terms and Definitions, a 77-second webinar series.
Device History Record. The medical device industry has a lot of acronyms. DHR is one of them. In plain English, a device history record, or DHR, is a file that contains everything that was done in the manufacturing of the medical device, literally the history of the device. For suppliers providing parts to a medical device OEM, this typically means for every part provided. What needs to be included in the DHR? According to the FDA, the DHR should include or refer to the location of the following pieces of information: the dates of manufacture, the quantity manufactured, the quantity released for distribution, the acceptance records, which demonstrate the device is manufactured in accordance with the DMR or Device Master Record, the primary identification label and labeling used for each production unit, and any unique device identifier, UDI, or Universal Product Code, UPC, and any other device identifications and control numbers used. Manufacturers should establish procedures that maintain DHRs for each batch, lot, or unit. This demonstrates the device is manufactured in accordance with the DMR and FDA requirements.